Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who uses WhatsApp regularly, you've probably noticed that photos and videos from your chats get saved directly to your phone's gallery. While this can be convenient, it can also clutter your gallery with images you don't really want there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable media visibility on WhatsApp for Android. This simple setting will help you keep your personal photo gallery clean and organized by preventing WhatsApp media from appearing there, either for all chats or just specific ones. Let's dive right into it. First, open the WhatsApp app. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Go to Settings. Now tap on Chats. Here, you'll see an option called Media Visibility. Simply turn off the switch next to it. From now on, newly downloaded images and videos from any chat will not appear in your phone's gallery. And that's it. Quick and easy. By turning off media visibility, you take back control over what shows up in your gallery. Whether you want to keep things tidy, save storage space, or just maintain your privacy, this feature is definitely worth using. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.